Welcome to Introductory Statistics using SPSS, Module 5, T-Test, Test Run and Interpretation. The T-Test compares the means of two groups to determine if one group statistically significantly outperformed the other. We'll look at this graphically. In a two-group model, here's Group 1 and here's Group 2. In terms of comparisons, we can compare the mean of Group 1 to the mean of Group 2. Specifically, Group 1 would be the control group, and Group 2 would be the treatment group. The t-test could compare the mean of the control group to the mean of the treatment group to determine if one statistically significantly outperformed the other. In this example, the control group will get math as usual, and the treatment group will get Z-math. Let's go into SPSS and see how this works. Here we see two variables. The first variable indicates the group of each participant. Group 1 is math as usual, and Group 2 is Z-math. The second variable indicates each participant's score. To order the t-test, click on Analyze, Compare Means, One-Way ANOVA. We could have used the Independent Samples t-test, but the ANOVA menu is easier, and it'll produce the same results. Load group into Factor, and load score into the dependent list. Click on Options, and under Statistics, select Descriptive and Homogeneity of Variance Test. Click Continue. Click OK, and it'll process. Now we can finalize the pre-test checklist criteria. Criteria 2, normality, was satisfied when we ran the histograms with normal curves in Module 4. Criteria 1, which specifies that the t-test becomes more stable with an n of at least 30 per group, can be confirmed by observing the n column in the descriptives table. Also, notice that this table provides the means for each group. 75.77 for math as usual, and 80.97 for Z-math. The means will be useful when discussing the results. As for criteria 3, the homogeneity of variances rendered a significance, or p-value, of 0.433. Since 0.433 is greater than the 0.05 alpha level, this suggests that there is no statistically significant difference between the variances of the groups. Hence, the pretest criteria of homogeneity of variance passes. Now we can move on to the actual outcome of the t-test. Here we see a significance, or p-value, of 0.015, which is less than the alpha level of 0.05. This suggests that there is a statistically significant difference between the means of these groups, 75.77 for math as usual and 80.97 for Z-math. This concludes this module.